Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to schedule dark mode on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, so all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness, you can see the dark mode. Okay, tap this. Okay guys, here in dark mode, you can see the schedule turn on. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, if auto on off is enabled, dark mode will automatically switch the display status when your screen is off. And okay, to schedule the dark mode, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And you can see the start and end time. Okay, you can set the start by tap the time and the pop-up are show. Okay, for my example, I set into 1 and tap OK, and the end time. Okay, tap the clock and the pop-up are show. Okay, you can set the clock or end time. Okay, I set into 5 and tap the OK button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully scheduled the dark mode on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.